Some of the easiest vegetables to grow aren't the ones you see at garden centers. They're the forgotten plants that quietly thrive on their own. These old-fashioned greens and perennials grow fast, reseed naturally, and keep producing with very little effort. If you want a garden that feels lush without constant work, here are 10 hidden gems worth rediscovering. Number 1. Good King Henry. Good King Henry is one of those old-world vegetables that quietly disappeared from modern gardens, even though it grows like it belongs there naturally. With soft green leaves and upright stems, it looks like a wild perennial rather than a cultivated crop. Once established, it returns every year, offering leafy harvests that feel almost effortless. This plant earned its reputation because of its resilience and ability to thrive without constant care. Unlike annual spinach that needs replanting, Good King Henry forms a long-lived root system that keeps producing season after season. Its tolerance for cooler climates and low-maintenance growth makes it a true hidden gem for gardeners who want productivity without extra work. In the garden, plant it in a permanent edible bed or along the edge of a food forest where soil stays undisturbed. It blends beautifully with herbs and perennial greens, creating a natural, self-sustaining look. Over time, it becomes one of those plants that quietly fills space and keeps giving back. Number 2. Sorrel. Sorrel is a bright, tangy, leafy green that often surprises gardeners with how quickly it fills a bed once planted. Its smooth, arrow-shaped leaves form neat clumps that stay lush even when other greens struggle. With its fresh, lemony flavor and fast regrowth, it feels almost too easy to grow. What makes sorrel part of the grow like weeds category is its strong perennial root system and early spring growth. It returns long before many vegetables wake up, producing harvests while the garden is still quiet. Because it tolerates cutting and varied weather conditions, it continues thriving with minimal attention. In the garden, plant sorrel along pathways or at the front of raised beds where you can harvest often. It works especially well in mixed herb gardens or low-effort edible borders. Over time, it forms a dependable green patch that looks tidy while producing constantly. Number 3. Malabar spinach. Malabar spinach isn't a true spinach, but its fast-growing vines and glossy leaves make it one of the easiest warm-season greens to grow. The climbing stems quickly wrap around trellises, turning vertical space into a wall of edible foliage. Its slightly succulent leaves add a tropical feel to even small backyard gardens. This plant grows like a weed because of its rapid growth in heat and its ability to keep producing even during summer when traditional greens fade. Starting from seed, it establishes quickly and continues sending out new vines throughout the season. Its resilience to hot weather makes it especially valuable for lazy gardeners who don't want to babysit their crops. In the garden, grow Malabar spinach on trellises, arches, or fence lines where it can climb freely. It pairs beautifully with other vertical edibles, creating shade and productivity at the same time. Over time, it becomes a lush green backdrop that feels both ornamental and highly useful. Number 4. Walking onion. Walking onion is one of the strangest yet most reliable vegetables you can grow. Instead of producing seeds like most onions, it forms small bulb clusters at the top of its stalks that eventually bend down and root themselves. Over time, the plant literally walks across the garden without any help from you. Its ability to multiply naturally is what makes it a true lazy gardener's goldmine. The underground bulbs survive winter, while the top bulbils create new plants each season, expanding the patch automatically. With minimal watering and almost no maintenance, it continues to provide green onions year after year. In the garden, plant walking onions along borders or near fence lines where they can spread slowly without crowding other crops. They fit perfectly in perennial herb beds or low-maintenance edible corners. Once established, they practically take care of themselves. Number 5. Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichoke grows tall like a sunflower and produces bright yellow blooms that make it look ornamental rather than edible. Beneath the soil, however, it forms clusters of crunchy, nutty-flavored tubers that multiply quickly. A single planting can turn into a generous harvest zone in just one season. This plant earns its grows like a weed reputation because it tolerates poor soil, drought, and cold winters without complaint. The tubers regenerate underground, meaning even small pieces left behind can grow into new plants. For gardeners who want abundance without constant effort, it's hard to beat. In the garden, place sunchokes at the back of beds or along fence lines where their height can serve as a living screen. They work beautifully in naturalized edible patches or food forest systems. Over time, they create a steady, productive, almost wild-looking harvest area. Number 6. Tree collards. Tree collards look more like a small shrub than a typical vegetable, with large leafy greens growing along thick, upright stems. Instead of dying back each season, they continue producing leaves year after year in mild climates. Their structure adds a bold, vertical element to edible gardens. What makes them special is their perennial growth habit and ability to produce continuously without reseeding. Once rooted, they branch out and keep forming new leaves, providing harvests in multiple seasons. Compared to annual kale, they require far less replanting and ongoing effort. In the garden, plant tree collards in permanent beds or along fence lines where their height has room to develop. They blend well into layered edible landscapes or food forest systems. Over time, they become a steady, shrub-like source of greens. Number 7. Orach. Orach, sometimes called mountain spinach, is an old garden green that once filled medieval beds but slowly faded from modern planting lists. Its soft leaves can appear in shades of green, red, or even deep burgundy, adding unexpected color to edible gardens. Despite its elegant look, it grows quickly and easily from seed. This plant earns its forgotten weed reputation because it adapts to poor soil and often reseeds itself without help. Once allowed to mature, it quietly returns year after year, filling empty spaces with fresh leafy growth. For gardeners who prefer a relaxed approach, orach can provide harvests without constant replanting. In the garden, scatter orach through sunny beds or naturalized edible patches where it can reseed gently. It pairs well with herbs and other self-sowing greens, creating a relaxed, cottage-style food garden. Over time, it becomes one of those plants that simply keeps appearing. Number 8. Sea kale. Sea kale is a coastal perennial vegetable with blue-green leaves and airy white flowers that give it an almost ornamental presence. Originally found growing along rocky shorelines, it brings a rugged elegance to edible landscapes. Its waxy foliage reflects sunlight beautifully, making it stand out among softer greens. Its toughness comes from deep roots adapted to harsh coastal conditions, allowing it to tolerate drought, wind, and poor soil with ease. Once established, it needs very little attention and returns each season stronger than before. That natural resilience makes it perfect for gardeners who want productivity without fuss. In the garden, plant sea kale in sunny, well-drained spots or gravel beds where other vegetables might struggle. It fits naturally into perennial borders or coastal-style edible gardens. With time, it becomes a hardy anchor plant that feels both rare and reliable. Number 9. Lovage. Lovage is a tall, aromatic herb that looks almost like a wild celery plant rising from the garden each spring. Its bold stems and leafy structure add height and movement, making it feel more like a backdrop plant than a simple herb. Despite its size, it asks for very little care once rooted. This plant thrives because of its deep perennial roots, which store energy through winter and push out fresh growth early in the season. Unlike many herbs that need frequent replanting, lovage simply returns on its own, often growing larger each year. Its strong nature and long lifespan make it a true low-effort edible. In the garden, plant lovage toward the back of herb beds or along fence lines where its height can develop naturally. It blends beautifully with other perennial greens and flowering herbs. Over time, it becomes a quiet but dependable presence in the landscape. Number 10. Amaranth greens. Amaranth greens grow fast, tall, tall and vibrant, often appearing in bold shades of red, orange, or green that make them look almost ornamental. The leaves are tender when young, while the plant itself quickly forms dramatic upright stems. Even a small planting can transform a bed into a lush, colorful patch. What makes amaranth feel like a weed is its incredible ability to self-seed and thrive in heat. Once allowed to mature, it drops seeds that sprout again the following season with very little effort from the gardener. Its tolerance for tough conditions makes it ideal for anyone wanting easy, reliable greens. In the garden, plant amaranth at the back of sunny beds or in naturalized areas where it can grow freely. It works well in mixed edible borders or small-scale green patches. Over time, it creates a bold, self-renewing presence that adds both color and productivity. Sometimes, the best garden isn't the one you control the most. It's the one that grows alongside you naturally. By choosing plants that thrive like weeds, you can build a space that feels abundant, relaxed, and endlessly productive. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which forgotten vegetables surprised you the most.